Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute and easy clay plant markers. For the materials, you'll need a cookie tray with parchment paper, oven-baked clay, a letter stamp set, and an oil-based marker. First, form pieces of the clay into the shape you want the markers. Make as many as you need. Then punch the name of your plants into the clay. Do this on all of them. Once you're done, put the clay markers in the oven for 15-ish minutes at 275 degrees. Once done, pull them out and let them cool. Then fill in where you punched with the marker. Wipe the excess away. You may need some rubbing alcohol or nail polish remover to help get it all off. And that's it! I love how these turned out and they were so simple to do. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.